A very fresh and healthy morning to everyone. My name is Shivangi. And first of all, I want to pay thanks to my honorable sir who gave me this golden chance to say something on the podium. And today our topic is very emotional and heart-touching topic, and the topic is father. So first of all, I want to say that there are so many beautiful words in this world, but nothing can describe the word father. And nothing can describe the depth of his love for us and our depth love for him. And I want to start my topic with a short Hindi story. एक गरीब बाप अपने बच्चे को लेके मेले में जाता है और उसका बच्चा उससे जिद करता है हर चीज़ को लेने के लिए। मुझे खिलौने चाहिए, मुझे बुढ़िया का बाल चाहिए, मुझे झूला झूलना है। पर उस गरीब बाप के पास पैसे नहीं होते हैं अपने बच्चे को झूले पे ले जाने के लिए, अपने बच्चे को बुढ़िया के बाल दिलाने के लिए, अपने बच्चे को सारे खिलौने दिलाने के लिए। वो अंदर ही अंदर बहुत घुटता है और गलती से उसके बच्चे का हाथ उस बाप से छूट जाता है और उसका बच्चा गुम हो जाता है मेले में। फिर वो बच्चा जब सारी चीज़ों को देखता है, फिर अपने पापा को ढूंढता है, पापा कहाँ गए, इधर उधर देखता है, यहाँ वहाँ भागता है, उसके पापा उसको कहीं नहीं मिलते हैं। फिर कुछ लोग उस गुम बच्चे को पकड़ते हैं और कहते हैं कि बुढ़िया के बाल ले लो, खिलौने ले लो, चलो झूला झुला देते हैं, रो नहीं, पापा मिल जाएंगे। और उस वक्त वो बच्चा सिर्फ यही कहता है, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पापा चाहिए। यू कैन सी that if we have even everything, every our dreams and every our desires, whatever we want, if we have each and everything of this world, every beautiful thing of this world, we only need someone is our parents. And parents are not complete without each other. We need both of them equally. But today my topic is father, so I want to say something that जेब खाली हो पर कभी मना करते नहीं देखा, मैंने पापा से अमीर इंसान नहीं देखा. So basically I want to say about my father, okay? So my father name is Satish Dubey and he is one of the most beautiful men in this world. And since my born, I saw him and only him, that he is one of the most kind person of this world. And he is very gentle, very kind and very beautiful and the most handsome man of my world. I love him the most and I can do if anything for him. He gave me each and everything and I can walk, I can see, I can go anywhere and I am even here because of him. I am speaking these words. I'm appreciating him, I'm loving him because of him. I am nothing without him. He is my God and he is my entire world. And I want to say that every child love their father very much and every father love their child very much. Both are totally incomplete without each other. And the most beautiful thing about father is that he loves us very much, but he never say that I love you. Never say. Even our mom says that she loves us, but he never say that I love you. But the depth of his love can never be measured. We can't measure it. And since our birth, our mother think that my child will be in this world, he will be around, she will be around us, and we will go there and we will do this. But father is someone who think that I will give my child everything. Before thinking that he will be near and she will be here with me, he think that I will send her and him to this school, I will give him her this type of thing. He only think that he have to fulfill his duty. He never think that I will love him, her like this. He always want to fulfill our dreams and our everything. He used to think that that my child should never feel like I don't have this thing. He never think that my child can feel the absence of anything. He don't want his child to feel like I don't have this, my friend have this. This is the biggest regret for every father. he ever want that I can give my children everything whatever she or he want in this world. And I want to say something in Hindi that माँ गले से लगाती है, पापा कंधे पे बैठाते हैं। इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो सीने से लगाना नहीं चाहते, इसलिए क्योंकि वो चाहते हैं जहाँ वो है उससे ऊपर उनका बच्चा देख सके, उससे दूर तक की चीजें देख सके। एंड आई वांट टू से दैट whenever I feel like I am not doing good, I want to say that my biggest motivation is my father. When I saw him doing hard work for us, he sacrificed his sleep, he sacrificed his everything, his need, his sleep, his wants, his desires, his dreams. He sacrificed everything. Even he skipped his meals too for us. He forgot that he have to eat. My father, I personally am saying that my father have BP, sugar and cholesterol problem, and he have so many diseases, and I feel like I want to fulfill everything. I really, when I saw him aging, the time is passing very fast. I want to hold this all time very tightly. I don't want it all to pass, because I cannot imagine even a single day without him. First, whenever I woke up, I personally, I want to say, I never find where is my mom. I want to find where is my papa. I want to see him first, like he is my God. I want to see him and start my day. I cannot imagine even a single day without him. I want to do something good. I don't know I am doing or not, but I want to do something good for him. I want to fulfill all his dreams. I want to give him each and everything whatever he wants, because he is sacrificing his all need, his all dreams for us. He is doing very hard work for us. I want to fulfill all of them. I don't know I will do or not, but I want to do. He sacrificed everything, like he sacrificed his sleeps. He come back at home after his work, like sometimes 1 a.m., sometimes 2 p.m. a.m., and sometimes like 12, 3. Even sometimes he does not come at home at nights. He come like 5 a.m. I really feel bad when I go to sleep. I think my papa is not sleeping at this time. I'm going to sleep. I feel very regret. So hope I will do everything for him. Thank you. That's all about my father.